Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the amount of barrels that you would be able to contain inside a cylinder this shape. Okay, first, there's three things to know. The conversion factor of the formula that's going to give you cubic feet to barrels. Okay, 1 cubic foot is equal to 0.178 barrels. Okay, the formula is going to calculate out cubic feet, and we're looking for barrels. Okay, then there's two formulas that's going to be utilized. We need to figure out the volume of a sphere for these two parts and the volume of a cylinder here. This is the formula for the volume of a sphere, and this is the formula for the volume of a cylinder. Okay, so everything's in foot, so that makes it a little bit easier. Nothing's in inches or foot, and we'd have to convert over. So everything's pretty standard. Should give us cubic feet as our answer. So the volume of a sphere is 4 times pi times the radius cubed divided by 3. So the radius is half the diameter. So if your diameter is 14, half of that is 7. So you want to write that as 7 cubed. Okay, so it'll be 4 times pi times 7 cubed divided by 3. Okay, so let's take the handy dandy calculator, and we're going to go 4 times pi times 7 cubed divided by 3. Okay, and to make it easier on us, we're just going to go 2 decimal places rounded up. Okay, so the answer to that is 1436.76 cubic feet. Okay, now that calculated the volume of the sphere. Okay, this is basically half a sphere. There's the other half a sphere. That formula was for a sphere together. Okay, now let's figure out the cylinder volume. Cylinder volume is pi times radius squared times height. So the radius is still the same, half of 14. So you're looking for a 7-foot radius squared times the height. The height of the cylinder would be 28 feet. Okay, so you would write this as pi times 7 squared times 28. Okay, now let's calculate that out. So you're going to go with pi, okay, times 7 squared, okay, times height, which is 28, is equal to 4,310. So let me write that in there. So you're looking at 4,310.27 cubic feet. Okay, now we want to add those together. Okay, so I'm going to take that 4,310.27 and I'm going to add the 1,436.76. Okay, and I get 5,747.03 cubic feet. Okay, now all we have to do is take this cubic foot and convert it to barrels. For every cubic foot, there's 0.7178 barrels. So 5,747.03 cubic feet times 0.178. So we're just going to take that and we're going to go times 0.178. That gives us our barrels. So this cylinder would hold, if you round 2 decimal places, this cylinder would hold basically 1,022 barrels, 0.97. So you're looking for 1,022.97 barrels.